tothom, a veure, hola, hello Stevie, how are you?
I'm good, how are you guys?
Doncs com us anava dient, l'Stevie és un company meu de la Universitat d'OMAHA, ara s'introduirà, ho farà tot en anglès, acabarem la sessió amb una sèrie de preguntes, si voleu fer-los, haurà de ser en anglès, però no, és el que hi ha, i res. Stevie, all yours, brother.
Alright, what's up? My name is Stevie. I'm from America, obviously. Omaha, that's how I met Neil. I play college soccer with Neil. We're both in our last year playing for our school. It's been really cool. Got to meet cool people, do cool things like meet you guys and do a workout here. So I'm ready to do it if you guys are. Should we get into it? Let's do it. All right. So today we're gonna do two workouts really, and we'll do them each twice. We'll do squats, right? Squats. Then we'll do push-ups. Push-ups, easy. Right? Some jumping jacks, right? Get the heart going. Then we're gonna do high knees, like we did with Marcos. Get them all the way up here. Crunches. Easy to strengthen here. And then last for this first set is lunges. So we're gonna step out, back up. All right, so just for time, everyone ready? All right, let's go. All right, start with squats. Ready? Let's go. Halfway. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, pause for a little break. First set, pretty good. All right, next we're gonna do push-ups. All right, everyone ready? Let's do it. Halfway. If it gets too hard, you can go on your knees and go. Three, 2, 1, time. All right, next is jumping jacks again. Pretty easy, everyone up. All right, ready? Let's go. Ready? Play. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Awesome, awesome. All right, next we're gonna do high knees. So we're making sure that we get our leg all the way up here, up to your hands. All right, as fast as you can go. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. That's half, come on.
Pushing her feet further along. And then she'd say,
5 seconds.
it's okay.
2, 1, time.
Way, but I'm a supergirl.
All right, two more. We'll take a little break. So next is crunches. We're down here for the abs, the core. All right, pretty easy. Let's go. 30 seconds. All right, start. That's halfway.
Burning trees, she's a supergirl.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last we have lunges. So really make sure that the knee doesn't go here or here. Those are bad. We want it right over. This is a straight line, up and down. That's the goal. All right. Ready? Let's do it. Just alternate. Left foot, right foot. That's halfway. Keep going. Three, 2, 1, time. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. All through, just a little bit of a break. All right, everyone got some water, we good? All right, let's go, round 2. Sorry, we're starting with squats again. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go, let's go.
If I scale this wall, if I fight my shadow, can I lose at all? Run, run.
Halfway, come on, keep going, keep pushing. Come on, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Be ready for push-ups here. This one can be hard, so if it gets too hard, you can go down on the knees and do some for just a little break. All right? All right, here we go. Let's go. 30 seconds. Halfway, come on. Five more seconds, come on, here we go. 3, 2, 1, time.
If I don't look down, then I won't fall.
Finish those shoulders out.
If I face my fears,
All right, we're back into jumping jacks next. Get the blood flowing again. All right, everyone ready? All right, here we go, ready?
in the dark, in the light,
All right, halfway, halfway.
is this will to fight. I'm in front, I'm inside.
Keep going, keep going.
Leave it all behind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Awesome, awesome. Now we're doing a little cardio with the high knees again. Make sure you keep them all the way up here. All right? All right, here we go, ready? Let's do it, let's do it. That's halfway. Keep pushing. See if you can go faster.
Here I go out to sea again. The sunshine feels
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
goes in the sky. And
All right, we're back down for our crunches again.
you know it feels unfair. There's
Core is important. These are the kind of exercises we need to do a lot of as soccer players.
look at me standing
All right,
here on my own
as many reps as you can in. Let's go. Ready, set, go.
straight in the sunshine. No need to run and hide. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. No need to hide.
Halfway, halfway.
Cry. It's a
Come on, keep it up.
wonderful, wonderful life.
All right, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. This is the last one for this set of exercises. We're doing lunges again. Just keeping in mind, this is bad, so we want somewhere here, where the knee is over the ankle. Straight line. All right, ready? Here we go. Last set of this.
I need a friend, oh, I need a friend to make me happy. Not staying here on my own. Look at
That's
me
halfway.
standing here on my own again. I'm straight in the sun.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
No need to run
5 seconds.
and
4,
hide.
3, 2,
Wonderful life.
1, time.
And cry.
All right,
It's the
You guys grab some water if you have some nearby. And I'm gonna start talking about workout number 2. We have a whole new set of stuff. All right, so we ended with lunges, right? So we remember lunges are like this. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna jump from here into the other leg. So if you can see it from the front, you're here with this leg in front. We're gonna jump and switch to the other one. Just back and forth. We're gonna do those together. We'll do 10 each leg, so 20 jumps total. And then we're gonna do the next level for push-ups is we'll be here doing a push-up. And then we'll touch our shoulders. Working on that core a little bit and keeping our balance down. And that's a couple. We'll do 10 of those together. And then we're gonna do some burpees. So this starts with a jump up, down, extend out like you're in a plane. Then back up, down. To start the next one. So all together, it looks like this. Those are what we call burpees here in America. Next, we'll do some more of those crunches, like we did for the core. Down here. Build some of that strength in there. And then we'll do 30 of those. We'll do 10 burpees. All of these are for a number, not for a time. We'll do a little bit of squat jumps. So squats like we were doing, but in between, jump up and into the next one. Pretty simple, pretty simple. And then lastly, find a wall nearby. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit like there's a chair there, but there's nothing. It's really good for your legs. If not, you can find something like this. Kind of try to balance against it. That'll build up strength here in the quads. All right, I'll go over them all again, but that's the idea. All right. All right. Ready? Listo? All right. Here we go. We're gonna do 10 of these jumps, 20 of these jumps together, 10 each leg. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's it. All right, now we're gonna do those shoulder touches again. Right, so we're here. All right, everyone ready? So we're gonna go down and then touch both shoulders. 10 of them. All right. Here we go, ready? Here we go, down. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those ones are a good workout for the shoulders and the core a little bit. Whew. Next, we're gonna do burpees, right? So it starts here, jump up, down, up, touch the ground, extend your legs, bring them back in, and we're up again. All right? We'll do 10 of these together. 10. All right, here we go, ready? Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and an extra 11. Here we go. Here we go. There's one set of those done. We're gonna get back down and do crunches again. Strengthen that core, as we've been talking about. All right, everyone ready? Here we go. 30. Try to get as close to 30 as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 3 more, 2 more, last one, time. Looking good, feeling good. All right, now we're gonna do the squat jumps. Right, so like we were doing earlier, we're gonna squat down and jump up into the next one. All right, we're gonna do 15, 15, 15. All right, here we go, ready? Here we go. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time. All right, we got one last thing. It's that wall sit. So we want it to be like you're sitting in a chair like this, but instead of a chair, there's nothing there, and you're just balancing against what's on your back. Right, so I'm going to use this door. I'm going to get down here, and we're going to go for time on this one. So find a wall or something. All right, ready? All right, here we go. Ready, set? We're going to have 25 seconds. That's halfway, that's halfway. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's round one of those. We'll do that one more time and then a little bit more to strengthen here and we're done. Grab some water if you have some nearby. All right, here we go. Last set of stuff. Last set, come on. Here we go. We're starting with, we're in lunge. We're jumping over and switching. Just like that. We're gonna go with 20 jumps again. All right? Here we go, ready? All right, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. You feel that in your legs. All right, and then we're gonna do push-ups with the shoulder touches again. All right, 10 of these. All right. Okay, I'll do it this way so you can see. All right, everyone ready? All right, ready, set, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, last one. Done. Got some of the hard ones out of the way. All right, now we're back into burpees. All right, everyone remembers? Out, touch the ground, feet back, bring them back in, we're up again. All right, we're gonna do 10 again. All right, everyone ready? Here we go. Last one of these, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Got it. All right, crunches again. Back for that core. It's important for balance and for keeping control of your body. All right, here we go. Ready? 25 this time. 25. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, halfway, come on. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, last one, 25. Two more exercises. 2 more. Right, we're in squat jumps again. Right, we're down, up, right back into the next one. That's 1. All right, here we go, 10 again, just 10. Here we go, ready, set, go, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last thing. Back into that wall sit, so find your wall. We're gonna slide down into the sit. 30 seconds this time. 30 seconds, come on, here we go. Ready, set, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, halfway, here we go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, and the very last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little bit more for the abs, that core. So we're gonna do plank, right? Down here, making sure that we're as flat as possible. Straight line from shoulders to toes. All right, and then we'll pair that with some dead bugs. So these are a little different. So when you're like this, like a dead bug, and then you're gonna, your left foot and your right arm go up. You come back, and then you switch. Do it from this side. So that you can see this one, my right arm go, the other one stay. All right, so we'll do plank for 30 seconds, and then we'll do 10 dead bugs, 2 times. All right, last thing. All right, ready? Everyone ready for plank? All right, here we go. Ready, set, up. Keep going, keep going. That's halfway, come on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, now we're gonna try those dead bugs. All right. So on your back, and we'll do, so like that, that's 1. We'll do 10 of those, okay? All right, let's go, here we go. Ready, set, go. That's 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. All right, here we go. One more time for both of those, and then that's it. All right, so we're gonna get back into plank. All right, here we go. Let's knock it out. Come on, 30 more seconds. All right, ready, set, here we go. That's halfway, come on, stay up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, last thing, I promise. Here we go, dead bugs. Back on your back. Here we go, we're gonna knock out 10 and then we're done. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, that's it. Good work, guys. So after a workout, something that's important for recovery is to stretch. Make sure that you get your blood back into your legs and some of the bad stuff to get out. So we have to do a little bit of stretching. Yeah, so if you have your ball, grab it real quick. So this is something that we do after every session, every training, every game. We do this, they call it foam rolling. So what we do is you just kind of massage your leg, like put as much pressure on it as you can. Get some of those knots out of your muscles. Right, so we can do it all over. Usually we focus on the legs because we work those the most. So calves, yeah. Then you can roll it up here to your hamstring. Go up a little bit. Roll it all around. Just 4 or 5 times up and down, and then you can move on. And I get the other leg real quick. And I like to get my glutes, booty, bring that leg up here, and it stretches it a little bit as you get it.